Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to sign in to multiple YouTube accounts. So you can sign into multiple YouTube accounts at the same time using your Google account. So this makes it easy to switch between your personal, work, or creator accounts without signing out each time. So open your web browser and go to youtube.com. Next, click sign in if you're not already signed in. So click sign in the top right corner. Then sign in with your first Google account. Or if you already have your account in here, just click on that, enter your password, and click next. So once you're signed into YouTube, click your profile picture in the top right corner. Now from the option, select switch account. Next at the bottom, select add account and sign in with another Google account. Click next. So enter your email or phone number. Then next, enter your password. And that's basically it. So you can repeat this to add more accounts. So again, just click your profile picture in the top right corner and click switch account and just click add account. Then enter your email or your phone number and your password. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.